So timeout exception, it will happen most of the times with the explicit wait only. In other cases, we don't encounter. So we will see an example with the explicit wait and let's see. So close the console and I'm going to create one more class. So first of all, copy these lines of code, create a new class. Timeout exception demo, select the main method, click on finish. So in this code, what I will do, I need to write the explicit wait, which is the WebDriver wait I have to declare. So WebDriver wait, and I will declare a wait variable equal to new WebDriver wait, and I will pass the driver object, and I need to also set some time. So duration dot of seconds, I will be setting 10 seconds. So we can set 10 seconds or 5 seconds, that is fine. So generally, whenever you are using explicit wait, it's better to remove the implicit wait and use the explicit wait for every element wherever you need. Better to not mix the implicit and explicit. So I'm using only the explicit wait in this case and I'm setting 5 seconds. So I'm commenting the implicit wait and using only the explicit wait. So import the WebDriver wait, and after this, this is the declaration part and I need to define the element also. Wait dot until, and we have to give the condition expected condition dot visibility of element located. So whenever the visibility of element is located, we have to pass the by.id. Suppose here put a semicolon and by.id, I am giving some invalid element. So I'm waiting for 5 seconds, but I'm not, I'm passing an element which is not available. So Swaroop element will not be available. By.id of Swaroop will not be available on this web page. And it will try to wait for this element and it will return a web element. So I'm taking this as an element and import the web element also. And if the element is found, I will be printing the text on the console. So element dot get text. So whenever the element is found, I will print and I will quit the browser. So, but here I'm passing an element which is not available. This kind of element is not available, and explicitly I want to do timeout exception. I want to reproduce. So whenever the element is not available, the timeout exception will happen. Because of two reasons. One reason is element is not available. So here element is not available. It is waiting for the visibility. So the timeout exception will happen because of two reasons. One reason is element is not at all available or the wait time is not sufficient. So similar to the no such element exception, this timeout exception will also happen because of two reasons. One reason is the element is not available in the web page. Maybe the locator is incorrect we are passing here. And the second reason is the timing issue is not enough. So timeout exception, it will happen because of two reasons. First reason is element is not available on the web page. Second reason is wait time is not sufficient. You may need to increase the wait time. Here 5 seconds I set it, but if you want, you can increase the wait time to 10 second or 50 second based on the project need. So this is about timeout exception.